Mitsubishi ASX. How to remove this radio? All you need to do is these tools. You have to pry this out in here, like that. Now, pry this out. That's it. Pull this thing here. Here and here, and then that's it. You can remove the connector, and then that's the radio assembly. Remove the screw or 4 screw. Okay, and that's it. When you put it back, same thing. Okay.